Ah, what a captivating premise. Let's delve into the magical world of mythical creatures and weave a tale around your enchanting village. In this hidden valley where the veil between reality and magic is thin, the villagers once thrived with their extraordinary abilities. Each person possessed a unique gift. Some could manipulate fire, others whispered to the wind, and a few even danced with moonlight. But all that changed when the mysterious eclipse shrouded the land, stealing their powers like a thief in the night. The villagers gathered in the heart of the village square, their eyes wide with fear and confusion. The marketplace now stood empty, devoid of the colorful displays of magic. The baker who could conjure delicious pastries out of thin air now held only an empty tray. The weaver who wove dreams into tapestries stared at her loom in despair. Amidst this chaos, our young protagonist emerged, a villager named Elera. And like her peers, Elera bore no visible gift. She couldn't summon storms or heal wounds with a touch. Yet her heart burned with curiosity and determination. She believed that the ancient Rida held the key to restoring their magic. The Rida was etched on a stone near the village's ancient oak tree. Its words shimmered in silver ink, and Elera traced them with her fingertips. When shadows dance upon the moon, seek the heart of the forgotten rune. Through enchanted forests you must roam, where taking animals guard secrets unknown. Beware the mischievous spirits with tricks, for only they hold the cure that sticks. Elera's journey began. She followed the moon's path, her footsteps guided by the Rida. The enchanted forests whispered ancient melodies, and the leaves rustled secrets. Pecking animals crossed her path, a wise owl with eyes like galaxies, a mischievous fox who spoke in riddles, and a gentle deer who shared cryptic clues. As Elera ventured deeper, she encountered the spirits, the playful sprites who danced in sunbeams, and the solemn guardians of forgotten memories. They tested her resolve, leading her through treacherous mazes and revealing fragments of lost spells. Each encounter brought her closer to the truth. Yet doubt gnawed at Elera's heart. Was she truly meant to solve the riddle? Could someone without a visible gift restore magic to the valley? She remembered her grandmother's words, "True magic lies not in what you see, but in what you believe." And so Elera pressed on. She deciphered the ancient rune hidden within the heart of a waterfall where moonlight kissed the water's surface. She danced with the shadows, unveiling their secrets. Finally, she stood before the mischievous spirits, the tricksters who revel in chaos. They left, twirling around her. "Why seek magic, child?" they asked. "Is it not enough to be ordinary?" Elera's answer echoed through the forest, "Because even ordinary hearts can hold extraordinary courage." The spirits relented, revealing a vial of stardust, the cure to the eclipse's spell. Elera returned to the village, her steps lighter, her heart brimming with hope. As she sprinkled stardust over the stone, magic surged forth. The baker's pastries floated, the weaver's loom hung, and the villagers rejoiced. Elera's gift? She had believed when others doubted. Her heart, the truest magic of all. And soon, in the hidden valley surrounded by enchanted forests, the villagers learned that magic wasn't confined to visible talents. It flowed through belief, resilience, and the bonds they shared. Elera became their storyteller, weaving tales of courage and abandon, reminding them that even in the darkest eclipse, hope would light their way.